Today I'm going to teach you how to remove a checkmark from a fillable PDF form in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is particularly useful when you need to edit or update forms that have already been filled out, whether you're preparing a document for someone else or correcting your own entries. First things first, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once the application launches, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready, as this will give you full access to all of Adobe Acrobat's editing features. After logging in, navigate to the Recent Files section. This is typically displayed prominently on the home screen or can be accessed from the File menu. From your Recent Files list, select the PDF document that contains the checkmark you want to remove. Click on it to open the file in your workspace. Now look toward the upper left area of your screen. Here, you'll find the E-sign button. Click on this option. This tool is specifically designed for working with signature elements and form fields, including checkmarks. It gives you access to edit or remove any of these interactive elements within your PDF. Once you've clicked E-sign, your document will display any checkmarks or other signature elements that have been placed on it. Locate the specific checkmark you want to remove. Simply click directly on that checkmark to select it. When selected, you'll notice that editing options become available. After selecting the checkmark, look for the trash icon. This is your delete button. Click on the trash icon, and the checkmark will be removed from your PDF form. If you have multiple checkmarks that need to be deleted, simply repeat these steps for each one. Click on the next checkmark, then click the trash icon again. This process is quick and straightforward, so removing several checkmarks won't take much time. Once you've removed all the checkmarks you need to delete, it's time to save your changes. Look to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find the Save button. Click on it to ensure all your modifications are preserved. It's important to save your work at this stage so you don't lose any of the changes you've made to the document. And that's it. You've successfully removed the checkmarks from your fillable PDF form in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.